Hey everyone! Welcome back to the channel. Today we're diving into the amazing world of rabbits. Whether you're a new rabbit owner or just curious about these adorable creatures, I'll take you through everything you need to know about their lifestyle. Now let's chat about what rabbits eat. A rabbit's diet is mostly made up of hay, which helps with digestion and keeps their teeth healthy. You should also offer fresh veggies like spinach, carrots, and leafy greens. But remember, avoid feeding them iceberg lettuce or anything too sugary. Always make sure your rabbit has fresh water too. Rabbits are social animals and enjoy companionship. If you have more than one rabbit, make sure to introduce them slowly and carefully to avoid any conflicts. They can become great friends and even cuddle up together. Rabbits have some really cute and quirky behaviors. Ever seen a rabbit do a binky? That's when they jump and twist in the air out of pure happiness. If your rabbit is thumping, that's a sign they're feeling threatened or scared, so make sure their environment is safe. Playtime is super important for rabbits. They need exercise and mental stimulation every day. You can set up a rabbit-safe play area with tunnels, chew toys, and even cardboard boxes for them to explore. This helps keep them active and engaged. Taking care of your rabbit's health is essential. Regular vet checkups, proper grooming, and keeping an eye on their diet will help prevent issues like dental problems or digestive issues. Don't forget, spaying or neutering your rabbit is also important for their health and behavior. And that's a wrap on our rabbit lifestyle guide. Rabbits make fantastic, loving pets when their needs are met. If you're thinking about getting a rabbit, remember to provide them with plenty of space, love, and care. Thanks for watching. And be sure to like, subscribe, and comment below if you have any rabbit questions or tips of your own. See you in the next video. Rabbits are crepuscular, which means they're most active at dawn and dusk. They spend the rest of their day eating, grooming, and relaxing. Rabbits groom themselves often, so regular brushing is essential, especially if you have a long-haired breed.